Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lahari and in this video you learn about what I call super hair gel. Wait until the end to know what it is. To make this gel you will need 4 ingredients. 1. Organically grown hibiscus flowers. 2. Flax seeds. 3. Aloe vera. 4. Water. Firstly, add 2 cups of water to a frying pan. Add a cup of flax seeds to it and cook it for 10 minutes. Use a cheesecloth to extract the gel from the seeds as shown. Next, extract aloe vera gel from the leaves. Ensure you remove the yellow liquid from the leaves before using it. Finally, make hibiscus gel by using organically grown hibiscus flowers and water. Simply grind the hibiscus flowers and squish it with water to make this gel. The entire process seems time-consuming, but it's not. While you let the flax seeds boil in water for 10 minutes, you can extract aloe vera gel and then make hibiscus gel. It can take about 15 to 20 minutes to extract these gels. Mix all the 3 gels together. There is no perfect ratio. All the 3 gels help you get healthy, shiny hair. So go ahead and experiment with the ratio. Whatever ratio is most comfortable with you, you can choose to continue with it. If you want to know how to make these gels in detail, I have separate videos for that. The links are in the description box below. You can check it out. The consistency of each gel is different, hence they don't mix instantly, so use your hands or a whisk to mix it well. Apply this gel from your roots to your tips and leave it for a minimum of half an hour. You can choose to leave it overnight as well. You can choose to wash it off with a herbal shampoo or just water, since hibiscus gel is also used as a mild shampoo. Enjoy healthy hair.